Hey everyone, just wanted to go over how to use the Berger tool CoatController. We've had some questions about this. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this side of the card in wet finish with the values of 25 to 150 microns to determine the proper thickness of the finish. So for residential jobs, you're going to want a minimum of like 100 microns minimum for each layer. For high durability residential, you'll want about 125 microns minimum for each layer. And then for commercial applications, you're going to want about 150 microns minimum each layer.
You got 100.
This tool is really handy for just helping you make sure you're staying consistent with your applications. If you have any questions about it or questions on how to use it, how to read it, just, let us know, give us a call. We can also connect you with your rep, but these are available now on floormechanics.com.